Ever been on a call where your voice gets drowned out by background noise, making it hard for a colleague to hear you clearly? Or maybe you have struggled with headset that feels uncomfortable after just an hour, leaving you distracted instead of focused. And then there's the constant worry of battery life running out right in the middle of important meeting. These challenges are common, but they don't have to be. Poor noise isolation, unclear microphone, short battery life, and uncomfortable design all adds up to unnecessary stress during your workday. The Jabra Evolve2 85 was designed to solve all these issues with advanced active noise cancellation, a crystal clear boom mic, plush memory foam comfort, and up to 37 hours of battery life. It's built to keep you focused, comfortable, and professional all day long. Let's dive in. When you first open the box, you immediately notice the premium presentation. Inside, you find the headset neatly packed in its protective hardshell travel case, a big plus for professionals who are always on the move. Alongside the case, you get the charging cable, a USB-A dongle for reliable wireless connections, and a quick start guide to get you going in minutes. Hey, have you subscribed? If not, do it now, okay? The headset itself feels solid and arrogant right out of the box. At just 280 grams, it strikes out a great balance between durability and portabilities. It's light enough to wear for hours without fatigue, but it also doesn't feel flimsy. There's a reassuring sturdiness in the build. The ear cup also falls flat, making it easy to slip into case or your work bag without taking much spaces. It's a small details, but it makes portability a breeze for anyone splitting time between home, office, and travel. The Evolve2 85 shines in comfort. The memory foam ear cushions gently mold to your ears, creating a snug yet breathable fit. The padded headband assures that there's no pressure points, so even after wearing it through back-to-back calls, you won't feel weighed down. Despite its premium build, it managed to stay lightweight, which means you can move around freely without constant readjustment. And since this headset was designed for professionals who wear it for hours, the combination of luxury material and durability construction makes it as stylish as it's practical. Quick pause. If you are looking for a trusted IT and AV partner, check out SourceIT. Get free access to design, consultation, and quotation for bespoke solution tailored for modern workspace. We support individual purchases, contract-based corporate deal, and government procurement with international shipping available. Open for discussion based on your needs. From Microsoft Teams room to hybrid work setup, we deliver the right gear and expert support so your meeting just works. If you're ready to elevate your workspace experience, visit sourceit.com.sg for smarter IT and AV solutions. Now let's get back to the video. The microphone quality is one of the standout features. The retractable boom mic with noise cancellation ensures your voice cuts through. Even in noisy environment, office chatter, keyboard clicks, or background hums are reduced, letting your voice stay clear and professional. The speaker delivers rich, balanced sound, not just for calls, but also for music. Whether you're in a meeting or taking a quick break with your favorite playlist, the Evolve2 85 gives you clean, immersive audio without distortion. That dual purpose, professional clarity and entertainment quality, makes it versatile enough for work and personal use. To demonstrate how well the Evolve2 85 handles real-world noise, we are taking it outside for a walk at Bendemeer Road. Urban environment can be challenging. Cars passing by, wind, people talking, and general street noise can all compete with your voice. First, let's hear from the raw camera mic without the headset. As you can tell, traffic noise, footsteps, and conversation in the background makes it hard to understand me clearly. Now, switching to the Jabra Evolve2 85, the difference is immediately noticeable. My voice comes through clear and intelligible, while the background noise is significantly reduced. Thanks to the active noise cancellation on the microphone, you can still sense the environment around me, but the headset ensures that my speech remains crisp and professional. This makes it ideal for professionals who need to take calls on the move. Whether you're walking between meetings, commuting, or working in outdoor spaces, the Evolve2 85 keeps your voice front and center. One of the biggest pain points with wireless headset is battery anxiety. The Evolve2 85 completely eliminates this with up to 37 hours of battery life on a single charge. That means you can go multiple days without even thinking about plugging it in. And when you do need to recharge, fast charging gives you up to 8 hours of use with just 15 minutes of charging. It's dependable, practical, and designed so you never miss an important call. This headset is built for professionals who are always on the move. The full flat design makes it easy to carry, and the travel case provides extra protection when you're commuting or flying. Hybrid work is the new normal, and the Evolve2 85 keeps it up. Move seamlessly from home to office to travel without worrying about durability, comfort, or setup. Wherever you are, this headset is ready to deliver the same high-quality experience. The Evolve2 85 doesn't just stop at hardware. It features powerful active noise cancellation, which lets you block out distraction and focus fully on your work. It also optimized for all major collaboration platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet, ensuring smooth integration every time. On top of that, it pairs with the Jabra Direct and the Jabra Sound Plus apps, where you can customize sound profile, update firmware, and adjust the level of ANC to suit your environment. Small touches like the built-in busy light on the ear cups let others know when you are on the calls, helping reduce interruption and maintain productivity. These details come together to create a headset that feels personal and smart, not just functional. At SourceIT, the Jabra Evolve2 85 is available starting at around $500. It's a premium investment, but one that pays for itself in better communication, higher productivity, and comfort that lasts. For teams or professionals who rely on calls daily, this is more than a headset, it's an essential tool. The Jabra Evolve2 85 isn't just a headset, it's a professional-grade tool built for the way we work today. With exceptional noise cancellation, crystal clear mic quality, all-day comfort, portable design, and unmatched battery life, it checks every box for productivity and focus. Whether you're working in a noisy office, a quiet home, or somewhere in between, this headset adapts to your needs. It's reliable, versatile, and designed to make every call stress-free. If you're considering this headset for your team or company, you can purchase it in bulk directly at sourceit.com.sg or by email sales@sourceit.com.sg. And we love to hear from you. Share in the comment what frustrates you most about headset. Background noise, poor performance, or short battery life. Whatever your challenge, the Jabra Evolve2 85 could be the upgrade you have been waiting for. See you in the next video.